Hi guys, welcome back to another edition of PV Crazy for Food. So today I came to Jollibee restaurant. So I'm gonna take you on a journey. We're gonna try some fried chicken. They're famous for their really Filipino style fried chicken, spaghetti with chicken, with ham, and they're pretty popular. Their soft drink is pineapple juice. So let's go. Let's do the food review. I'm gonna take you on a journey. Come with me. Oh man, so we tried their spicy fried chicken, their spicy chicken sandwich, and pineapple drink. And I also tried their sides, which is their famous gravy. They give gravy with everything, and oh man, it's so amazing. We also got a peach mango pie, and let me tell you, the experience was so good. The food is fresh, the service is so fast. You place the order, you're just waiting, not even 5 minutes. The chicken is so tender, it's so crispy, it's so spicy. The spicy one that we ordered, it had really good kick. They're putting some spices on top of the fried chicken, and you dip it in the sauce, and it's, oh man, it's so tasty. And it goes so good with the pineapple dip, pineapple soft drink that they have, and it's so refreshing, so fresh, chilled. We also tried their peach mango pie, and peach mango pie was absolutely gem of a dessert. Like so fresh, gooey from inside, so crispy from outside, and it was so good. The experience overall, the food wise, the taste is amazing, and the restaurant is clean, nice. It has a good vibe to it. So definitely, yeah, it's a good place to hang out. Come with family if you're really looking for good fried chicken. Jollibee, and their taste is a bit different than what other restaurants are serving. So I really like their fried chicken. Their spaghetti was really good. It's a Filipino restaurant. It's a Filipino style of cooking, and it's totally different than what the other fast food chains are serving. So thanks for joining, guys. If you really like this video, please like, share, subscribe to my channel, to PV Crazy for Food. Give us a thumbs up, and thank you very much. Take care. Bye.